Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of class 8, Assalamu alaikum. Now open your math book on page 39. Understanding quadrilateral, chapter number 3. Now our today's topic is quadrilateral and their properties. इससे पहले मैं थोड़ा याद करूँगा पिछले सबक का, जिसमें हमने पॉलीगन्स, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स एंड क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ पॉलीगन्स के बारे में पढ़ा है। थोड़ा बहुत मैं याद करूँगा। ओपन शेप्स हमने पढ़ी, क्लोज्ड शेप्स, स्ट्रेट लाइन्स, कर्व्ड लाइन्स and curves that are polygons. Simple, a quadrilateral is a polygon formed by 4 line segments. Curves that are polygons. Suppose यहाँ मैंने कुछ फिगर्स ड्रा किए हैं, curves that are polygons, and नीचे figures that are not polygons. क्लासिफिकेशन के बारे में भी हमने पढ़ा। क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ polygons, we classify polygons according to the sides and vertices they have. A three-sided figure, triangle, triangle, 3 sides, quadrilateral, 4-sided figure, इसी तरह 5-sided figure pentagon, 6-sided figure hexagon, and 7-sided figure heptagon, 8-sided figure octagon, and 9-sided figure nonagon, 10-sided figure decagon. और आज हमें क्वाड्रिलेटरल के बारे में थोड़ा पढ़ना है। I take 4 points in a plain paper, point A, B, C and D, such that any three of them are non-collinear, and the line segments AB, BC, CD and AD intersect only at their endpoints. Non-collinear points which do not lie on the same line, and collinear points are those points which lie on the same line. मैं कर यत फिगर अख ड्रा। अमिक साइड्स अगर अस वुचो, साइड ए बी अख साइड, साइड बी सी, साइड सी डी and side AD. There are 4 sides, vertices A, B, C and D, 4 vertices, 4 line segments. It is made, this figure is made of 4 line segments. A line segment shaft AB, back BC, CD and DA. Tell one of is a quadrilateral is a polygon formed by 4 line segments. A quadrilateral is a polygon formed by 4 line segments. चूँकि अस पोर अम ब्रो curves that are polygons, suppose कि यत फिगर मे गडनेथै ते वोन यम छ यत ब्याक फिगर, these are not polygons. अस वनो तेल a quadrilateral is a polygon formed by 4 line segments. Now today we are discussing about quadrilateral and properties. यत में थोमस ड्रा कर अख फिगर यथ वन पैरेललोग्राम ब्याक फिगर मे बन कन थोमुत रम्बस ब्याक मे लिखमत रेक्टेंगल तो लास्ट मे लिखमत यत स्क्वायर अस वुछो गोडेथ ये पैरेललोग्राम 4 लाइन सेगमेंटन हज बनामज बे डायगोनल्स अस वुछो वनो a quadrilateral with each pair of opposite sides parallel अगर यमिक opposite sides यमिच प्रॉपर्टी opposite sides गसन आसन अत इक्वल opposite sides AD अगर अस वुछो AD अत opposite side CB यह parallel sides are equal अगर ब्याक साइड निमोस ABCD AB parallel CDS लिहाजा opposite sides are equal number 2 opposite angles are equal अमिक opposite angle गसन आसन बरोबर number 3 opposite sides are parallel opposite sides are parallel herepor opposite sides are equal yatat लिख opposite sides are parallel ये sides parallel AD parallel CB अगर ये side निमो D अगर ये निमो D तो C इस parallel AB गाय अमिक 3 प्रॉपर्टी थायस याद opposite sides are equal number 2 opposite angles are equal number 3 opposite sides are equal number 2 rhombus a rhombus is a quadrilateral with sides of equal length number 1 all the properties of a parallelogram यम अस हेरकन प्रॉपर्टी वुच पारि parallelogram मगर कुस opposite sides equal opposite angles equal opposite sides are parallel तम यथ मज rhombus मज यम प्रॉपर्टी हेरकन अस parallelograms मज पारि मसलन opposite sides are equal opposite angles are equal opposite sides are parallel second number 2 at maz diagonals are perpendicular to each other इचा ना छात मजीद थोड़ा बहुत हेमनिश diagonals are perpendicular to each other number 3rd नी मैथ मज rectangle a parallelogram with a right angle यत यमिक 4 angle right angle 90 degree right angle 90 degree its measure is an angle its measure is 90 degree is called a right angle all properties of parallelogram yum herkan as parallelograms maz property लागू कर opposite sides equal यथ मज opposite sides equal opposite angles equal opposite angles equal opposite sides are parallel each of the angle is right angle diagonals are equal यथ मज ब्याक diagonals अगर diagonal त्रावो diagonals are equal अस वुछो अत आव a diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon is called a diagonal इन पत वुछ ब्याक अस स्क्वायर त्रो मे यतत स्क्वायरस sides 4 sides equal tel yum opposite angles of a square equal 90 degree. This is called a diagonal. Square is 4 sides equal tel yum opposite angles of a square equal 90 degree. Tel yum opposite angles of a square equal 90 degree. equal measure. The opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal measure. तेल वनो अस यथ मज a square, a rectangle with sides of equal length. Yeth maz chu all properties of a parallelogram are found in this. So we discuss here parallelogram, second rhombus, third rectangle, and fourth square. Shukriya.